I love cooking and learning new things, so while I was in Bali, I seized the opportunity to take a Balinese cooking class, and I thought I'd take you guys with me so we can learn together. This is Wayan, my teacher today. I really appreciated the fact that she started off by showing me how to make Balinese offerings from scratch.
Okay, this one for the stick, yeah, from the bamboo. This just easy to young coconut leaf, yeah, I'm already cut before.
If you ever visit Bali, you'll see these laying all around, in front of houses, shops, and temples. They're called Canang Sari, and they're a gesture of gratitude to the gods. As far as I've learned, Bali is considered the island of gods because they believe that the gods come down to the island to nurture the land and protect the people. So instead of praying up to the gods are everywhere. We started with young coconut leaves to make the box and secured them with bamboo sticks. Then we placed a banana leaf inside. Wayan also showed me how to weave the coconut leaf into a flower shape.
This is the porosan, sugar cane.
Then we started to fill it with different spices, incense, fruits, sweets, rice, and colorful flowers.
Now you can arrange the flower.
And look how beautiful these turned out. I was so grateful that I had the opportunity to make my own offering and learn more about this tradition.
Want to take some picture?
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Wow. Thank you, I like it. Afterwards, our offerings were placed in front of the temple.
One more, make a rice box.
Afterwards, Wayan taught me how to weave a rice box so we can cook rice in them for my meal. I've also never done this before, so it was very interesting to learn. Oh, it's like a pocket. And then it was time to head into the kitchen and get started on the food. Wayan mentioned that she lives here with her husband's side of the family, cooks here, and has her restaurant Taste of Bali here, all in one. We let our rice boxes cook on the side, and then I hopped into my apron.
Oh, it's a nice color.
And as you can probably tell, I felt super cute in my apron. Once I arrived, the ingredients were already freshly prepared for me, and Wayan thoroughly explained to me what each of them was.
Garlic, yeah. Big chili, this not too spicy.
I like spicy though.
Oh, you like spicy?
I love spicy.
Wow, this hot chili, yeah. Turmeric, ginger, galangal, family of ginger. This churro. Very strong. This lemongrass, yeah. Oh, lemon basil. This one bay leaf, onion, tomato, lime. This coffee lime, very strong.
Ooh.
Yeah. This choco, like this. One candle nuts, coriander seeds, nutmeg.
And I also got handed a recipe booklet to take home, so I'm going to blend each page in for you guys as well. We started off with our base sauces that you will need for a majority of the meals. The first dish we prepared was corn soup, which I haven't previously tried, so I was very excited. Along with that, a young papaya soup.
Okay, first dish ready, corn soup. So good. Oh, yay. Yeah, check this. Thank you.
Papaya soup.
Papaya soup. Yum, it's really good.
Next up, chicken and banana leaf. I love the techniques used here. I've never seen them before. It's very interesting.
There's 4 more flavor.
Afterwards, we prepared chicken and shrimp skewers. I was vegetarian for my entire stay in Bali and was very cautious about Bali belly. However, I wanted to try every recipe during this cooking class. And now for the grand finale, one of my favorites, mee goreng. I usually prefer nasi goreng, however, they are prepared the same way. So I was hyped to find out how and to try it. Vegetable.
And cooked noodles. Sweet.
So now for the taste test. Behold.
I'm really good. Hey, mee goreng. I just made my first mee goreng and ketchup. Oh yay! More food.
The rice sauce.
Rice.
Something.
How am I gonna eat all of
One
this?
more.
Oh, one more. Mee goreng. So good. Ketchup. Seafood. Chicken and banana leaf.
Okay, enjoy your lunch, yeah?
Thank you so
And
much.
after this, dessert.
Yes. Dessert.
One more, yeah?
Yeah. Skewer. Sweet. Shrimp. Chicken and banana leaf. Rice.
And then it was time for dessert. We are making fried bananas and coconut pancakes.
Yay! Fried banana and pancake. Fried banana. Pancake. So excited.
This experience was hands down one of the best things I've done, and I would only recommend it. So thank you so much for cooking with Wayan and I today, and let me know what dish seemed the most appealing to you and if you've ever been to Bali. I love you guys. Love you.